Do you find graphic design overwhelming? Many beginners struggle with complex software. In this tutorial, we'll simplify the process using Canva. By the end, you'll know how to create stunning designs effortlessly. First, sign up for a free Canva account. Go to canva.com and click on Sign Up. It's user-friendly and free. Next, explore the homepage. You'll find templates, designs, and features. This will help you navigate easily. Now, select a template that fits your needs. Click on the Templates section. Choose from categories like social media or presentations. Once you select a template, customize it. Click on text boxes to change wording. You can alter fonts, colors, and sizes easily. Next, add your own images. Use the Uploads feature to include personal graphics. This makes your design unique. Want to add elements? Click on the Elements tab for icons, shapes, and photos. Just drag and drop them onto your design. Don't forget to adjust the layout. Use the alignment tools for perfect positioning. This ensures a professional look. After final adjustments, download your design. Click on Download at the top right. Choose PNG or JPEG for high quality. Finally, share your creation. Use social media or print it. Show off your design to the world. Today, you learned how to use Canva effectively. You can design anything, easily and quickly. Now it's time to practice. Create your own designs using the steps we covered. Happy designing!